Just wanted to get out the house. Scarborough Harbour. No water in the harbour. It's because it's low tide right now. High tide. It's a high one today. It's a 6.48 metre tide. But that's not until sort of 6 o'clock tonight. It's a midday low tide. So just having a slow walk down to the end of the harbour, see what the situation is. Just got my light rod with me. Just my little Shakespeare Omni coarse fishing rod. Going only up to a 2-ounce plain lead on it. Don't want to overpower a coarse rod. It's a 12-foot max rod. So gonna go with, I think, 2 hook flapper up to, like I said, 1.0 maximum hook today. Just coming around the corner here. A couple of people sat there, nobody fishing. So I've got full choice of where I can fish. At the moment, yeah. What I'll do, I'll turn you around in a bit and I'll show you low tide. So I think my best bet would be literally about here. Right, I'll turn you around and show you. Right, pick this spot. If I get a decent fish, I've got the steps there. Yeah, there, tide is out. So looking at the end here, I've got kelp and rocks starting from there. So there might be wrasse about, you never know. The odd little pouncing, looking down. Yeah, could be the odd conger that could live around here as well. Oh, that was my finger. If I can see crab line there, some green right down there. Crab lines, fishing gear, all tied up in there. So I think pushing out onto the sand over towards that way would be a greater idea. Sort of around this area, over onto the sand there as well. Well, I've got plenty of time for the tide to come in. It's just on the tide, the turn coming in. There's a rock over there that I can see as well, so I might try and miss him for that. I've got plenty of time to set up and everything, so I'll bring you back later on. And then guys, it was a little bit of a breeze, but it ain't too bad this morning, so I'm all set up. Size 1 at the top, size 1.0 at the bottom, 2 hook flapper. I've only got I've put a 2-ounce lead on just to give it a try on the Shakespeare Omni match. Got the bell on just in case I need to go for a pee and it goes off. But I'm out, I'm fishing, just plain black lug on both. Give that a try first of all. I have got squid and mackerel with me as well. So let's just see what today brings. Hopefully a fish. Although I blanked last time, but that was because of the wind. But let's just see what today brings. Like I say, it's gone from a 0.68 metre low tide, that was at midday, and it's going just before 6 o'clock tonight. It's going up to a 6.48, which is quite high for Scarborough. So let's just see what today brings. Hopefully a fish. Let's just see how it goes. Anything is good. But I'm out fishing. Good for the mental health. There's John. Got your beanie on, mate. Right, catch you later, guys. Hi guys, just remember, this is what I've actually salvaged from while the tide was out, which is roughly where a lot of people lose rigs. You can see there's mackerel rigs and beads and hooks, swivels, bloody crab net that I didn't even bring down with me. There's 2 crab nets there, weights, everything. So all of that, I'm going to get all the beads off, get the hooks off, get everything off. The rest is going to get dumped and put in the bin. Right guys, I'll catch you back in a bit. Yeah, as you can see, yes, I'm on the Shakespeare Omni match. So that's the type of rod I'm using. And there you go. What a view to be fishing on. I'm just sat here patiently. I'm getting a few bounces, but I think that's crab action. So yeah, there's a guillemot out there, keep on servicing. Right, I've changed tactics. I've actually got on the top hook this time. I've swapped it over. I've got strip of mackerel, small strip on the top hook, and I've actually gone for a strip of squid on the bottom hook. So let's see how we get on, guys, and I'll bring you back later. But what a view to be fishing in. Right by the harbour here, down at Scarborough. And that way, as you can see, nobody else fishing at all. Down here, by myself. White Hotel up top there, that's where it's Esplanade. Coming round, there's the Grand. Yeah, nice and peaceful and quiet down here in Scarborough. I'll catch you in a bit, guys. Hi guys. Little update. Young lad Liam is down here. He's got a rod out. Just been down to the local cafe. Got me a bacon butty and got a nice cup of coffee next to me as well. If you ever come down to Scarborough Harbour, the teapot, recommend it. Beautiful bacon butties, only £3. Decent sized cup of coffee as well. Same price, £3. Can't go wrong. Anyway, back out. I'm trying squid on the top this time, mackerel at the bottom. Both whipped on with elastics. I know there's crabs about. So I'll bring you back later, see how we got on. Oh, hi guys, just a little update. Yeah, still down here. We got Key in the background there. He's got his rod out. My rod's out as well. Changed over to black lug and squid, so giving that a try. Still no luck yet, so let's just see how it goes on. Hi guys. Yeah, still an update. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, packed up here at the teapot. Time for another coffee before I head home. All that gear that I picked up is in a carrier bag. What I'm going to do is just going to strip it all, get it all sorted, get all the bits and bots up for it. Beads, you know, hook links, swivels, and all that. And then, yep, get all that bagged up, for reuse for myself. All the other bits and pieces, the line and everything, all the rusted hooks and that, all that will get chucked, put in the bin. Right, I'll catch you a bit later on, guys. At least it was a blank, no mind. So no fish for tea for me tonight, and I'll catch you later. Hey guys, as you can see, yes, back home. Right, all that rubbish that I picked up from this morning, there was the all them rigs, weights, couple of crab nets as well. They're all in a carrier bag. They're out in the backyard because they stink. I'm going to be cutting all them down, sorting all them out. Unfortunately, it was a blank. It looks like the crabs are about. So, yeah. Every time I brought my rigs in, the hooks were stripped. Although I was using bait elastic as well on the mackerel and squid baits. Just absolutely, yeah. Not much I can do when that happens. So, that'll be my last trip until Tuesday of next week, when I'm out on the Emma-Kate 2 for the Sea Fishing Festival with my daughter. So, yeah, let's just hope, see how we get on. Competition, sea fishing competition for Scarborough, and then the day after I'm out with Mark on the Skylark, and let's just see how we get on. And I'll catch you later, guys, and I'll catch you on my next video.